Hey guys, what is up? This is Rattling Ghost coming to you live through the power of YouTube. And today I'm going to try and do a one-day build on this Corgi Ferrari 250 Le Mans Berlinetta. It's not in too bad a shape. The windscreen is cracked a little bit. I'm going to try and finish that off in a bit better. Got some decals on the front here. I'm going to do my own twist to this, so it's probably going to be a resto mod. We have no tires around the car, and if I can just take it off my display here, we've got the motor at the back here, which just needs a good cleanup. So as always, I'm going to take out the rivets at the bottom. It is still running. I'm going to get new tires for this. So guys, let's get cracking. So when we take it apart, we've got the wheels here, not looking too shabby. Nice spoke rims on it. We've got the base plate here. It's just gonna remove the paint, strip it, and then we'll repaint it in a nice Ferrari color. We've got some shit in here, I can call it that. I don't know what that is. Let's just remove that. It seems like there was a spider making some house in this. And let's try and get this out. You can see there's the suspension. Very nice. I've got it on a very close up here. And this is going to take some prying to get out. I'm going to use my plastic tweezers. So here we've got the interior. It's looking all roughed up. This will all be painted again. Bucket seats in there. Nice detail of the engine. It seems like this is all in one piece, so I'm quite happy about that. And then the window, or basically the center console, that just pinged off. So the center console, basically looking like that. Got the steering wheel there in the middle. Not much to it. And then the window. So I think this is also going to be a tricky part to take out. Some piece just fell out there, and I think that's part of the broken window. Okay. So here we've got the window. As you can see, we've got a small hairline crack in there. I don't know if we can get that out. We'll try our utmost best. And then we've got our boot cover, all still in place. This is also attached with a rivet. And then we have the main body. So guys, I've stripped some of the chrome paint off the plastic parts, and the way I do it is I just use any no-name brand or local shop bleach. You just put it in a little container. I've got mine in this container here, and you just drop your parts in there and it will basically strip down all your chrome paint on all your plastic bits. So that's done. I'm going to do some detailing on that. Then I also found a spare wheel that goes in the back where the engine compartment is, and I fitted some new tires to this Ferrari, and I just cleaned up the rims on the inside and also the axles. I cleaned the suspension strips as well, and how good you can see that. And I've started with my primer first on the back end and the car itself. And for you guys out there, this is the color that I'm going for. It is from Tamiya. It is the TS8, and they call it Italian red. I can show you there. So I do all of my spray work on this channel with rattle cans for you guys out there that want to try and attempt it. But as you can see, it turns out looking quite amazing. You don't need an airbrush for this. Airbrush gives you a better effect. And then when I'm finished with this, I'll just spray some clear lacquer over it, also from Tamiya. So guys, this is all the parts. I'm gonna assemble it, and I'll quickly show you what we started with, and then where we at now. Just a before and an after.